Title: The Rise of Octavian. I, Gaius Octavian, a humble Roman soldier, stood in the ruins of my once prosperous homeland. The ashes of Rome smoldered around me, a grim reminder of the devastation that had befallen us. The Civil War had left us broken, our great city reduced to rubble and our people starving. But I refused to let despair consume me. In the shadow of this destruction, I saw an opportunity for redemption and restoration. My determination burned within me like the eternal flame at the heart of our republic. I began by gathering what was left of my fellow Romans. We were a motley crew, disparate and disillusioned, but united in our desire to rebuild. Together we set out on a journey, marching towards a new Rome. Our first challenge came at the banks of the Tiber. The bridge had been destroyed, leaving us stranded on one side. I remembered the tales of my ancestors, their unwavering resolve in the face of adversity. I rallied my men and led them into the river. We swam against the current, our spirits buoyed by the promise of a better future. On the other side, we found a small but fortified encampment held by Mark Antony's forces. The battle was fierce, but we fought with a fervor that surprised even ourselves. We were Romans, and we would not be defeated. As the sun began to rise over our victory, I turned to my men, their faces etched with exhaustion yet triumphant. "We have taken our first step towards rebuilding Rome," I declared. "But there is much more work to do." And so, we continued our march, encountering challenges and overcoming them. We faced the treacherous seas on our quest for grain. We braved the harsh winter, and we fought off the barbarians at our borders. With each victory, our spirits grew stronger, our resolve unyielding. But not all was won through force. Diplomacy played a crucial role in our success. I sent emissaries to the far corners of the empire, forging alliances and securing peace treaties. The Senate began to recognize the potential in my leadership, and I was granted the title of Augustus, the revered one. My journey was not without sacrifice. I lost friends, mentors, even family along the way. But with each loss came a new understanding, a new lesson learned. It was these experiences that shaped me into the man I became. As we approached Rome, I could see the hope in the eyes of my people. They had endured, they had suffered, but now they saw a glimmer of light at the end of their tunnel. We marched into the city, our spirits high, ready to rebuild our beloved republic. And that, my friends, is how I, Gaius Octavian, rose from the ashes of Rome to become its savior. A humble soldier who refused to let despair win, instead choosing to lead his people towards a brighter future.